Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to create a fascinating intro video by using free frame in Filmora. But first of all, I will share with you how to add the free frame in Filmora. So let's get started. In order to add a free frame, first you need to move it at the frame. It has a good scenes or beautiful moment that you want to add a free frame, right? And now you right click and go to add a freeze frame here, and you see it's appear the freeze frame area, that gray area here on the video footage, right? And now you click this and it appears you two options with delete and duration. That duration allow you to customize the duration as you want, and here I make it 10, right? Another way to customize change the duration of a freeze frame, that you hold the free frame area and then stretch it out to extend or shorten it by stretch it in, right? Okay, and now I go another way that you can take a snapshot here, appear the snapshot, right? And you can cut your video footage on the timeline and make a blank space to add your snapshot. And that is another way you can add the free frame. One more way that you can right click again and go to speed ramping, right? You go to customize option and then you see the snowflake here. It's add free frame also, right? And you just move it here and move at any frame that you want, any scene that you feel is beautiful, and then you add free frame, right? And it's freeze time appears, and you just customize the time as you want, right? And apply. Okay, you can add the freeze frame in Filmora. And now we go to the specific my example. Now I go to with this the video. Maybe I see this great scene. I take a snapshot to add the free frame, right? And I cut it in my space and to add this here, and you just let it here. When you need make extend your duration of your free frame, you just move video footage and stretch it out, right? Or stretch it, and if you want to shorten it, it's easy, right? And now here with free frame, it's just like picture, just like a photo, and you can add any effect on it, right? And here you have the couple, and if you want to change the background, you can use the AI tool, AI portrait right here, and select it. It's easy to change the portrait. Maybe you want to introduce or highlight some text or the couple in this free frame, right? And another effect that you should make, that you can select the pan and zoom. It's here always need pan and zoom to make your picture a little bit more, and it's make your video more interesting and it's look good, right? And I use pan and zoom, and you take a review pan and zoom right here, and I take a review and it's right here, it's zoom out, but now it's I want to change it by zoom in, and click this icon to change it. My star a big, I just want to make a zoom out a little bit, so that's why I make the star, the star box is the same the end box, right? Before you apply, you can take a review. You see it looks slowly move, right? If you want more, you can stretch this star box smaller, right? Okay, I think it's good. So now I have, and now you can add the effect. You can add the effect for your free frame here, or any effect right here. Yes, and I just select the romantic pack overlay and wrap and grab it, and you see now here you see that. One more thing, you can make an intro video by add some title, some text to introduce something like that. And here I am just as a default tag, right? And I select and change the tag. Maybe that's a name or some information, or they are dating, or your name of the couple, maybe Alex and Rose, maybe. It's easy, right? You see that? And so it's now you can add some more take by make another take on the other track, right? It's easy. And one more thing, one more tip I want to mention it for here, that you can that you should add the transition between the video and free frame. That look very good. I give you a sample here. Go to the transition and take the camera. I find the camera. Maybe this look camera right here. You see, or cinematic digital. Yeah. Okay, I take this. Or you can camera shooter right here. And now let me show you how it works. See that? It's look great, and you can add a sticker or some effect for your video by using this. Or effect with here, right? And now you take a review. That's easy, right? That's the best way to make an intro yourself, intro your some moment when you travel, how you wedding or your birthday. That's also a lot of way to use the free frame for your video footage. And that's all I want to share with you to some tips, some sharing of me to share with you to use freeze frame in Filmora. That's all. Thank you very much guys for watching my video, and if you like it, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See ya for next video.